Hey, hello. Welcome back to my channel, Wake Up Call. My name is Neha Manchanda. I'm a life coach and counselor. In my last video, in my introduction video, I had spoken about how different kind of intelligences create an impact in our lives and how those intelligences are actually creating our inner personality, which we are born with. And like I mentioned, today I'm going to speak about one intelligence. Out of those 8 intelligence, I'm going to speak about linguistic intelligence today. So coming to linguistic intelligence, a lot of people have a misconception that it is only about how we speak. But actually speaking, it is much beyond that. It is not just about speaking. It is the way we connect and the way we express ourselves to the outer world. So I am going to tell you how linguistic intelligence have an impact in our lives. A person with high linguistic intelligence will be able to express, will be able to communicate much better compared to others with low linguistic intelligence. Because they love to talk. But it varies from different age to different age. Varies as in the way they express themselves. So let's see what happens with children. And this, parents actually have to observe their kids. Do your kids love to read, write? Are they very talkative? Some kids, whatever they read, they would want to come up to you and discuss with you. This is what they read. This is what they heard. They are very good listeners also. Because communication is what they want. And you as a parent, what you have to do is you have to boost up their intelligence. Because if you do that, it will help them with their overall development also. So what you can do is you can involve them in certain debates. You can ask them to recite poems. You can give them some word puzzles, word games. They would love to do some word formations. With this, their mind will also grow. And they will be very active kids. And they will be very expressing also. So you can consider as a parent doing all these things with them. Talking about teenagers. Now teenagers is a very sensitive age group. So if their hunger for their dominant intelligence is not being fed, then they might not be able to perform at par. For example, if they have a very strict environment at home where people do not interact with each other and they are not able to express themselves to their family members, then there are chances that they might get into suppression mode. So actually guys, if you have any trouble with your parents or your family and friends, you have upper hand of this linguistic intelligence because you can put forth your feelings in much better form. So speak to them and I'm sure they will be able to relate with you with whatever you say because you are expressive. Right? So you can speak to them or you can write to them if you're stuck up anywhere. And somewhere if you still feel that you're not satisfied, if your need of intelligence is not fulfilled, you can still consider learning different languages because that will boost up your intelligence and you will perform better. You will have a better career path also. Not just based on this particular intelligence, but again at least you will be able to think properly. Speaking about the age group of adults. Adults have amazing body language, gestures, expressions. Their written and verbal communication is very good. So people who are professionals, they would have amazing connect with their seniors, juniors, employees because they are able to communicate with them and express their feelings very well. The exchange of ideas is very high. So if you hire someone with high linguistic intelligence for sales and marketing job, those people will give you amazing results because the customer interaction is very high. In turn, they have an amazing relationship bonding with their customers and hence the conversion rate would be higher. But if these people have low linguistics, then how do you think they're going to perform? Hence, it is very important for you to choose the right profession according to your dominant intelligence, which will actually fulfill your mental hunger. Professions like teachers, coaches, MCing, stand-up comedians, actors, writers, all these professionals are actually there with their high linguistic intelligence. Because linguistic intelligence is all about how we express ourselves to the outer world, right? So, and also, adults, if you have any kind of relationship issues with your friends, families, or spouses, you should consider speaking to them again, like I said to the teenagers. Because you are so expressive, you can put your feelings into sentences, words, expressions, and put it forward to your partner or your family members and friends. So if you do that, I'm sure you will have a harmony between your relationships. And now speaking about elderly people. Elderly people, actually, a lot of times others say that they are very agitated and irritated. But that is happening because some of the need is not fulfilled. There are happy elderly people also because they are getting what they need. They are getting what they want. Ultimately, to be happy is what the natural state is. If the need is fulfilled, we are living a happy life, right? So if you involve them in some kind of groups or activities where they can communicate and have an interaction with people, they would be happy. Person with high linguistic intelligence, again, you can pick up a phone call and speak to them often. They would feel happy. So ultimately, it is all about the need of the intelligence that is being fulfilled. So guys, I will end this video with a quote today. This quote is especially for the linguistic learners. But before that, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up for a like, press the bell icon to receive the updates on my upcoming videos. And please share this video because people need to hear. So the quote goes, to express yourself needs a reason, but expressing yourself is the reason. This quote actually has a very deep meaning, and I'm sure all the linguistic learners would be able to resonate again with that. Okay guys, thank you so much. I had an amazing time with you over here. In my next video, I'm going to talk about logical intelligence. Until then, you take care of yourself. Have an amazing time. Thank you so much for watching me. Bye-bye.